Note that 100 divided by 2.5 is equal to 40, so 10 divided by 0.25 is equal to what? The best way to visualize this is to define a rule found in fractions. So in our first thing, what we see is that 100 over 2.5 is equal to 40. Okay, now our second has 10 over 0.25. Remember that I can multiply both top and bottom of each fraction by the same thing without changing the actual value. What that means is if I multiply both the top and the bottom of this first thing by 10, what I'll get is 1000 over 25, and that'll still be equal to 40. This second fraction I can also multiply, this time by 100. So if I multiply both top and bottom by 100, as follows, what will I get? I will get, again, 1000 over 25. That's strange. We already know that 1000 over 25 is equal to 40, and so we write that down, and that tells us that this term, or this operation here, is equal to this operation here, or this term. So the answer should also be the same. It should be 40. Our answer should be C.